Hello! You see the situation, now it's white's turn. How to play the best endgame. Like here I didn't put all stones on the board, just let's imagine here it's all black's territory. Black has much more cost rates than white, and try to find moves in this area. Let's have a look at this move first. If white plays here, it's a big move. Monkey jump. Many points for white in the center. Yeah, let's remember the situation just for comparison with other ones. What else white can play? Maybe this move. It's interesting move, but after this one, black will start this flow. Like I said at the start, black has more cost rate, so it's not so nice for white to play like this in this situation. What more can white play? There is a very nice move, cutting. It's like, wow. Now, what can black play? If black plays here, now white can play this move. Black blocks, okay, Atari. Now, if black takes, white will still play this in center. What has changed to this first situation, which I showed? Now, white has here these 2 points, and black has here 1, 2, 3 instead of 4. So it's 3 points difference. It might be very big difference in the game. Many times winning or losing. What about other options for black? Maybe playing something like this. White will extend. Black will make life with these 3 stones. But now it's possible to jump over here and if black cuts, he will die. If black extends, still it's fine for white. So, thanks for watching.